afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. This is Flair GH, and we bring you another exciting episode of plants, medicines, and everything organic. I remember during one of our videos, we spoke about the butterfly pea flowers, and we spoke about its benefits that it gives to the body. I promised that I was going to show how I prepare my butterfly pea tea at home and enjoy it with the family. So I have here with me my hot water, some glasses, some brown sugar. I love ginger, so I have my ginger also here with me. This homemade organic ginger powder, also harvested from our garden, dried it, and then made it into a powder. So those are homemade ginger powder. And then I have here the butterfly pea flowers that I have washed very well. You can see some are dry, some are fresh. So it tells you that we can use any type of the flower for the preparation. I also have my lime. Unfortunately, I thought I had lots of limes at home, but I realized there was none. I have just this one that looks a bit dried, but it's still fit for purpose. And so that is what we are going to be using for our tea. So to get the tea going, all we need to do is to pick some of the flowers into these glasses. I'll put 5 flowers into each glass. So I'm going to add my hot water, just a little hot water. If you're someone who wants to lose weight, the butterfly pea tea can help you in your weight loss journey. If you're also someone who wants to relieve yourself of stress, it's a very good stress reliever. If you are someone who wants to have a retentive memory, because in Ayurvedic science it is known as the brain leaf, okay, or the brain plant or the brain flower. So if you use this, you can imagine what you're doing to yourself. You are boosting the functioning of your brain, and so you're going to have a very good, sharp, retentive memory when you do this tea. It's good for people with hypertension. It actually would lower your blood sugar. It does a lot of wonderful things, and like I said, if you feel you are interested in having some of this flower in your home, you can just leave us a comment. If we are close to you, we will be very glad to do you that favor of getting you some of the seed so you can plant at home. You can have a look at how the tea is turning. Okay, when you look at the glass, you can see my tea is turning blue, a very beautiful blue color, and that is the beauty of it. I haven't spoken about it as something you can add to your cooking, your culinary act in the kitchen. So you can actually decide to have a blue flour, a blue rice. You know, we've had this white flour for our kids, and I think that we can add a little spice to it. Since this becomes a very natural food color, you can prepare your rice using this butterfly pea flowers, and your rice will be looking bluish and your kids will enjoy it. I'm sure they'll be very excited having to try a blue rice prepared for them at home. So you can grab a few flowers if you have the plant at home, and then you can have this blue flower tea for your kids. So I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'll add just a strip. Just a strip is okay. So I put my brown sugar in there. I stir. The truth is, I always like to take this tea with a lime, because the lime gives it some aftermath taste that I love. That sour aftermath taste, and so I really love it with my lime. But a few times when I don't have lime at home, of course, I do take it without the lime. There you go. So I love to add a little ginger powder. So I take just a little, you can see a handful of a ginger powder in there, just to give it the taste that I love. Okay. So this is how I take mine. I add my lime. And guess what? You can see, this is the beauty of adding the lime. You can see that the acidic nature of the lime has actually changed the pH of my tea. So the color is turned violet. You can see it. Okay, and the one without lime is still blue. You can decide to strain your tea before you take it. That's just how I love it. If you want to preserve your own butterfly pea flower you've planted at home, just leave us a comment in the comment section down there and we will gladly respond to you. If you have any question concerning the butterfly pea flowers, we will gladly answer you. So just drop your comments down there. If you haven't subscribed to our channel as you watch, please do subscribe and give us thumbs up if you love what you saw or heard. If you also want to know more about plants and plant medicine, just let us know and we'll come to your aid. Share with others. Let them all come and learn along with us. We love you and we would love to see you watching us, commenting, and giving us the thumbs up to encourage us to do more. I am Ninye and thank you for watching us today. Bye-bye.